Well, we're hitting what is climatologically the hottest time of the year here in early August across the valley. So from here on out, the average temperature starts to fall after about this weekend slowly. But we still have some hot days ahead. We still have 5 or 6 weeks of summer left. We look at the numbers for McAllen. This is the average high temperature, the normal high temperature for McAllen. Here it is, just under 98, about 97.7. I think it peaks at the next couple days. But after August 11th, it starts to slowly fall. So by August 30th, the average high is down about 95, 96, and then by mid-September, it's down about 92, 93, and then by the end of September, it's down closer to 90. So it's starting to maybe cool things off eventually, but there's not much cool air for a while. But at least it won't be super hot. We're not dealing with record heat coming back anytime soon, but it is starting to get a little hot again this week. 100 right now in McAllen, 104 in Rio Grande City, 94 in Harlingen, and 93 in Brownsville. And temperatures with the lovely humidity feel so much hotter. 108 in McAllen, 110 in Rio Grande City, 100 in Port Isabel. And the humidity's kind of come back. It was down a little bit yesterday afternoon. The upper valley is kind of rising right now, but nice kind of typical August air mass overhead. Now, as we go into the day tomorrow, maybe a few clouds here and there initially, but a lot of sunshine, I think, most of the day tomorrow. Probably no rain. I mean, there might be one random little teeny brief shower somewhere tomorrow, but I think it's just basically sunshine and a few puffy clouds. Well into the 90s. Some areas from McAllen to Edinburg to the west will hit 100 degrees, but still a light breeze around, maybe a breeze around 15 to 20, 25 miles per hour like we're seeing today, and that wind could get a little stronger over the weekend. 105 tomorrow in Starr County and Rio Grande City, about 99 or 100 or a little higher across much of Hidalgo County, and mostly in the mid to upper 90s in the lower valley with highs right around the upper 80s at South Padre Island. The satellite radar shows very little rain today. The sea breeze coming in, but only sparking, if you look right there, a couple little small showers and a very brief thunder shower, a couple lightning flashes in Willacy County, and then it quickly died off. Across Texas, this area, West Texas, we'll show you more at 6:30. Could get rather wet later this weekend and early next week, and some of that rain in our watershed will be beneficial for us, but the big chances of rain are staying away from the valley, it looks like. We do have a little bump in the rain chances by Saturday. Notice on Future Track we have practically nothing tomorrow. There's Friday, and it shows almost nothing. Mostly sunny skies around during the daytime and very little, if any, sea breeze shower action. Now, Saturday, moisture does increase a bit, and it does kind of thicken up in the lower levels. Could give us a couple more sea breeze showers, maybe a few brief downpours. So, we'll kind of watch Saturday. I think we'll have more clouds in the sky, more puffy clouds around, and they may build up and give you a shower or maybe a weak thunderstorm. You see Future Track does show a couple little bursts of some rain there with maybe a weak thunderstorm possible in spots. But most places, again, look dry. And then by Sunday, we're probably back to practically nothing with maybe one random shower, but a lot of sunshine and kind of windy. I think Sunday will be maybe the windiest day of the weekend. Here it is on Future Track rainfall, just to show you that the model does show practically nothing tomorrow. But notice by Saturday, it does show around an inch possible, maybe with the sea breeze. So again, the Saturday rain chances come up a bit, but the moisture content's higher, so you might get a quick heavy downpour maybe for 15 or 20 minutes in a couple spots. But you see most areas, again, stay dry. Rain chances dry tomorrow, 30% on Saturday, back down to 10 or even that high on Sunday. So if you're betting and you don't want to go to Vegas, bet everything on Saturday. It's still not a good chance, but you might win. You might win a rain shower on Saturday here, and that's the only decent chance maybe for a while, and it's not a big chance. 89 or 90 or so tomorrow at the coast. A little breezy at times at the coast tomorrow and then over the weekend, but just like dry weather at the island tomorrow. A high tide in the morning, a low tide later in the evening. Water temperatures in the low to mid 80s. So the first 1-5 forecast tonight down to 79 late tonight. Most of the evening will be in the 80s after sunset with mainly clear to partly cloudy skies and still a little breezy early this evening. Tomorrow mostly sunny, light today, a little breezy, hot, highs near 99, but could be over 100 from McAllen off to the west. And I think the breezes increase either late Saturday or Sunday. Some of the computer models are showing a fairly windy day on Sunday. That's why we put windy on there. I think winds might gust as high as between 30 and 40 miles per hour on Sunday afternoon. It's a good bet. It might be a little gusty in parts of the valley, even somewhat breezy like it is today on Saturday. So if you're making plans for the weekend, kind of watch out for that wind around on Sunday. But highs back down a few degrees with the added cloud cover in spots on Saturday and a small rain chance. So we get a slight break from the heat. But you notice next week, it's still mostly in the upper 90s with mainly dry weather. So we'll keep watching for those Saturday rain chances in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.